Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. Well guys, in today's video I'm gonna share you the special platform that will provide you a lot of tools only in one place, guys. And the another beneficial would be you don't need to do the login or subscribe anything here, guys. So introducing the SEO Studio. This is 100% free online tools collection. And after that, you can simply searching for it from this Google SEO Studio Tools like this, and you will find this one. And you can simply click this, and it will direct you into this section. As you can see here, this SEO Studio Tools will provide you something or the tools regarding about the tags for the SEO things, like the text, image, YouTube things, website management, web development, converter, calculator tools, and many more, guys. And if you scroll down, you will find the tools that has been categorized by certain things. For example, for the text tool, they will provide you the article writer, rewriter, or until the text to text converter. And for the YouTube tools, they will provide you the YouTube video download app until the YouTube channel age checker. And for the SEO tools, there will be the website ranking checker until the UTM builder. And even there will be provide you this domain and IP tools, like the domain to IP converter until the IP address lookup. And there is the website management tools, web development, image editing, online calculator, unit converter tools, binary converter tools, miscellaneous tools. And that's it, guys. Isn't that cool? And this is a lot actually, man. And after that, for example, you can start to trying one of these tools. For example, here I'd like to create the YouTube hashtag. And for example, here, beware of the advertisement up here usually show up. And for example, here, the YouTube SEO or the keyword, I would like to use the keyword about the learning language, and it will be in English. And don't worry, it will provide you the another language from this Arabic until Chinese, and even more complete here. Isn't that cool, right? And after that, you can continue to click generate and kindly wait for the output down here. And in case if you would like to use all of these taggings, so you can start to select this all. Just follow the instruction up here. Click on the tag you like if you want to temporarily store in the box below, like this. And in case if you'd like to copy it, and you can put it into the description box on the YouTube video, you can start to see this list and copy the selected text, and you can paste it into your description box. Isn't that cool, right? And as you can see here, there are no sections that you need to do the login. So this can be 100% for free, and please don't waste your time to use this, or I mean don't waste your time to use the another platform, but you can invest your time to use this SEO Studio Tools, because this is super cool and super complete for your SEO stuffs, guys. And you can also try the article rewriter, for example, and maybe you will find the several advertisement over here. Then you can simply close it like this. This is the room to enter or paste your content here, and you can start to rewrite the articles. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this SEO Studio, and I will highly recommend this for you. And that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.